I'm Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness, and I'm going to show you 5 exercises today that you can do with bands to help make your butt look round. Don't tune this out if you're a guy, because no girl wants a guy with a flat butt.
I can't see anything without these. It's 8:30. Kids have some friends coming over today, so I've got to get up and get going. And they broke our Wii charger cord yesterday, so I have to take them to buy a new one. I don't have time to get a workout in, because at 8:30 I overslept.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ven y búscame y me lleves. No te desesperes, no más.
It has taken all morning, but success is finally here, and we have a new Wii U charger. What an eventful morning. Oh, got a lot of stuff done, actually. My mountain of stuff. I got a price for a yard sale I'm having in a couple of weeks. I really should take a few minutes to go work out, but I just ate lunch because it was so late and I was getting hungry. So I'm gonna try to cram a workout in later tonight. Yard sale prep.
3 hours later.
I didn't realize I had so much stuff. But the good news is, I'm able to still stay up getting the laundry taken care of. I still haven't had a chance to work out. I think it's only fitting that I'm putting away my workout clothes from yesterday. It's again reminding me that I forgot to work out this morning. I'm gonna go on ahead and pick out an outfit to wear later. I want shorts, definitely. And, leg day shirt. Definitely ready for leg day. My favorite thing to do are single-legged exercises. So why single-leg exercises? What's wrong with just plain squats? There's actually science behind why single-leg exercises versus two-leg exercises will help you to lift your butt and make it appear higher and not so saggy. There's several parts to your butt. You've got your gluteus maximus, which is the big part, and you've also got the gluteus medius. The gluteus medius is the top part, and when you build that, it kind of gives the appearance that it's higher, and it lifts it up and it pulls the gluteus maximus up a little bit higher. So tonight when I get my workout in, I'll show you some of my favorite exercises to do to build that gluteus medius. That says 10:04 at night. 10:04 at night. I hate doing squats with bands because this little piece right here digs into my arms and it hurts really bad. Right there. So no squats tonight with bands. You're going to need to anchor your bands for some of these exercises. Let's go through them one by one. I use Body Elastics bands because they have clips to make it easy to clip on handles or ankle straps. And we're going to need both of those tonight. You're also going to need an anchor. I use a pole. This is what I use. And it's on my pole. You're going to need a low anchor. You're going to need a mat. And you're also going to need something to help hold you steady, like a chair. Before you get started on these exercises, I want you to get a timer. And I want you to set it 30 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. What you're going to do is you're going to do each exercise 3 times, and you're going to alternate back and forth if it's a single leg. And I want you to set a timer for 30 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. I'm gonna use my purple band. It's about 23 pounds in each hand, so that's 46 pounds altogether. What I'm gonna do is do some lunges, and I told you I hate it when it digs into my arms, so what I do when I do my lunges is I step on the band and I grab equal sides, and then when I stand up, it's like this. So what you're going to do is set your timer, and you're gonna go for 30 seconds of work on your right leg. And this is the first exercise. So you're gonna step back, Then slightly bend your back leg and stand up, putting all of your weight on that front leg. When you're in this position, you only want about 20% of your weight on your back toes. And that really ignites your gluteus medius, which I was telling you about earlier. You do 30 seconds on each leg with 20 seconds of rest, and then you switch it up. You do that for 3 rounds. Now we're going to move on to the second exercise, which is going to be lying hamstring curls. You're going to need ankle straps for this, and I'm going to keep the purple band. And you're also going to need a low door anchor and a mat to make your floor comfortable. You're going to lie down on your stomach, and you're going to bring your heels in to your butt. And you're going to go for 30 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. You're going to bring your heels into your butt, trying to keep your hips down. Try to get them in as far as you can without lifting your hips, and go for 30 full seconds.
Point your toes is also a good tip.
Thank you for that, cameraman. This is really working the backside. This next exercise is a donkey kick. It's a resisted donkey kick. And you're going to need an ankle strap for each of your feet. I like to keep mine a little bit big so that my foot can slip in and out a little bit easier. I've got the Velcro as long as it'll go. This is gonna go in your lowest door anchor. Because I am using one band, I'm going to double it up like this and kick out one leg at a time. You're gonna slip it on over top of your foot, and the clips are gonna be facing the anchor. You're gonna get down on hands and knees. You're gonna kick back. You're gonna straighten that back leg and just push out. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Then you're gonna take a 20-second break and put it on your other foot. So for this one, it is a standing kick. You're gonna need a chair to help give you some support, to help keep your balance, because you're gonna be on one foot. The band that you had for the kneeling donkey kicks, you're gonna use to stand. You're gonna slip it on over top of your foot, like that. You're gonna walk out so that there's tension on the band. Keep the top of your leg stationary and bend at the knee and straighten your leg out. It's okay if you swing a little bit. Your goal is to work the quadricep here, the front of the leg. It helps to counterbalance all the work we've done on the back so that you don't end up with an uneven leg. Last exercise. These are curtsies, and I usually do these with weights, but I like doing them with bands as well. You're going to stand on the band in the middle, and you're gonna grab it about here. And you're going to just stand up on that foot. Your goal is to get your foot behind your other foot, not touching the ground. And when you bend down, come back. You wanna pop that hip out when you stand up and stick your butt out when you bend over. Keeping your core tight to help support your back. And do this for 30 seconds and give yourself a 20-second break in between this leg and your next leg, and do 3 sets. That was 5 exercises that you can do at home with bands to really work your glutes. And we went over earlier today about why it's important to work the single leg exercises so you can really work that gluteus medius and get that roundness that you want in your rear. So if you're looking for more fitness ideas, great recipes, and inspiration, you need to subscribe to the channel and make sure you check out the next video.